So I'm gonna take out $1,000 and give him and say, keep the change. Pleasant good morning, everyone. Today is Monday and it is my birthday week. I have birthday plans finally. I literally finalized my birthday plans last night. Every year I do the same thing. Every year I am last minute as hell with what I want to do for my birthday. And I'll plan it like, if not the week off, the week before. Of all my birthdays, I would say last year was the best one when I had a Bridgerton themed tea party with the girls. And then I had a 90s themed pool party the week after. Most of my extra with it, you know, my extra with it. So this year, I'm going to do something that I've always wanted to do, like a secluded getaway. Like, y'all will see. I am so excited for that. But anyways, y'all, let me get ready for the gym. As I said, I want to get back into my fitness. I want to get back into my routine. I want to kind of incorporate fitness on this channel as well, since, you know, that is what I do. That was the origin of this channel. If y'all go all the way back, y'all will see, like, this is a fitness channel technically. In the last vlog, if you missed the last vlog, go check it out. I did Pilates, which was cool. I think that's something I'm going to keep into my routine. Today, I'm doing a full body circuit. All right, so I had gotten this a good little minutes ago. But the thing is, guys, I do not have a shaker cup, so I am going to do it old school, where we take it straight to the head. This is my 2018 days. If y'all know all my gym people, want to big up for the self if we used to go gym together in 2018, 2019. Listen, those were the days. I want to do half scoop because I'm not able. I'm gonna sleep tonight. All right. Oh. All right, just like that. Let's wait for it to kick in.
You anything, me have the go that you know. Baby, don't just a go on a run, so give me some. We pretty baby, she know for me touch you up. Set it on the table, thing it a got me up. More you bubble and top it up. So me touch you very hard, fiesta, cause rub your body to no bar, selector. Too rude, you deserve detention. Fiesta, rub your body to no bar, selector. Too rude, you deserve detention. And see on a party we are done so. Take up and pass again. And me money attack so get a buns up. Mommy tell me a secret so she lunch. Feel me body can't see me that. After we touch one time she can't see me back. Her life she want get the God. Mommy bring it back. So me touch it very hard. Fiesta. Rub your body to no bar. Selector. Too rude you deserve detention. Selector, too rude, you deserve detention. Fiesta, rub your body to no bar. Selector, too rude, you deserve detention.
And just like that, workout done. blue cafe.
No.
This time I got the coconut cream frap. So let's see how this. It tastes good. Mm. It tastes good. This one have a little bit of rum in there, y'all. At 10:30 in the morning. And then I got the croissant to go with it, so just getting some work done. I definitely like it more than the caramel one because it's not as sweet. The caramel one was just way too sweet. Them give me cream cheese and jam. I don't remember if I had specified. The girl just said or both. No man, this is good. I don't know if I had rum. But this is good. This is good. This is good. Let me show you something real quick. That is why if you're visiting Jamaica or if you're a returning resident, do not be afraid to use your bank card or your credit card. If you use your credit card, you won't get that international fee. But if you use a debit card, you'll get the international fee. And here, let me show y'all why you shouldn't be afraid to use your card instead of your US dollars. This came up to $1,730. On the receipt, they put $12.06 US. Let me show you. It said $12.06 US. However, when you go into the conversion rate, you go on Google and you type in what is $1,730, it comes out to $10.83. Now they're doing their conversion rate at 140. That is why they want to tax you the extra $2. Now, if you use your card, your bank is going to do the conversion rate at what the conversion rate is, which is currently today, it is $159. So that is why I said, do not be afraid to use your card. I mean, yeah, it might just be $2 now, but it add up. It add up. If every time if you take out money and you're using your cash all the time, if you're here for like a week, like imagine how much are those little $2 gonna add up. Yeah, make sure you call your bank before you come and tell them say you're gonna be overseas, so them don't lock your card. And as I say, if you use a credit card, it won't, at least my credit card so far has not been charging me the international fee. Whenever I use my debit card, it does charge me the international fee, but that is just something I'm putting out there.
Take my order cause your body like a carry out. Let me walk into your body till you hear me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Take my order cause your body like a carry out.
Don't move my shoes, man. Oh, baby, what's your name? Oh, girl, it's your birthday. Over wine, I know you're thirsty. And we don't buy no drinks at the bar. Pop champagne 'cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say if you want me, say Pocket full of money, club don't jump till I walk inside the doorway. Bottles of that rosé, smiling like Dolce and Gabbana. Shout to you the baddest, and to meet you is an honor. Mama, I got a table waiting. What you think about a combo? And if you like it, baby, we can take it to the condo. And if you like the condo, we can move the party to the bedroom. I'ma beat your body like a Congo. Since we in the club for now, might as well get another round. Notice there ain't nothing in your cup, so get here, baby, let me fill it up, fill it up. Oh, girl, it's your birthday. Over wine, I know you're thirsty.
Good morning, YouTube. I am back in Kingston. The trip was good. It was well needed. It was relaxing. It was off the grid. I didn't record much because the purpose of the trip was to be like away or off the grid, clear my mind, refresh. And then now we're back. Why, as soon as we come back from a nice, relaxing getaway, the shipping company want to top my head. Guys. And I'm only telling y'all this story because I came on here and say, yes, I like the shipping company. They're fast, whatever. Check them out if you want to. Anyways, long story short. You remember about 4 weeks ago, the shipping company told me, say FedEx put the wrong address on the label. Some of my bar stools gone in wonder. Whoever get the bar stools, get the bar stools. When I see how much it was going to cost me for clear it, I make peace with that arrangement. And I said, whatever, I'll just go look for a bar stool locally. Why Friday, about 3.5 weeks later, the woman called me and said, hey, the package that you emailed us about is here. So I said, okay, I'll come pick it up, whatever, bite the bullet, It is what it is. I'm a person, I just want to focus on the solution and choose the solution, get it over with, and move on, right? So anyways, I asked her, please send me a picture of the package so I can know what size card to request to pick it up, right? She sent me one big old dirty box that's taller than me. In my mind, I was like, well, that don't look right for 2 bar stools, but whatever. As I said, I'm gonna just do what I'm gonna do and pick it up. Now, reach out to a driver. I asked him if he can carry me there because the driver that I would want to use, his car was too small for that big old box. So I reached out to another driver, asked him if he can carry me there. I'm saying, go charge me $5,000. We go pick up the package. So I say, you know what? Whatever. Let us just go pick up the package. It is on me, y'all. I take 100% accountability for not double checking the label because the picture when them send me, the package was at the door. So when I walk in, I said, hey, I'm here for that package. And I was trying to look for the label, but couldn't find a label on it. And I said, okay, that's the picture them send me. That's the package, whatever. Shame on me for this. And that's the thing is like, I have nobody to blame but myself. So anyways, so an other man that was in the store helped me bring down the package. I give my little change. Help me bring down the big old dirty package. Then the driver come, whatever. Then the package turned kind of side that I couldn't see in the store. I must have said like something like Teresa James. Someone said Teresa James, but I think that okay, maybe because of the shipping company, maybe they put somebody else. Me don't know. But my mama cut open the package. Guys, I'm cut open package. I want beige bed. Nice bed too. I'm say I already have a bed, but I take the bed. Beige bed. So I'm gonna vex. So I'm gonna call the lady and say I the wrong package and send me. Just say, oh, the girl make a mistake. We're all humans. We all make mistakes. Just like how I never double check the label. She should have double. So okay, you know what? Whatever. Let me just bring it back. I'm call back the guy and say, hey, you can come. Please come carry me back up there. Whatever. I'm say, all right, yeah, we'll come. Me think that the man I come out of the goodness of him heart, y'all. This is
Got it!
I can't laugh. I thought the guy was coming out of the goodness of his heart. I was like, oh my gosh, this man is so sweet. This man is so nice. Anyways, the man come care about the package. Mommy pick up my package. Y'all, when you see the box, I don't know if I got the box in it. If I did, I still have the box. I'll take a picture. It's a box that put a hole in the car that we have brought the decks in. Me never did after I drive. Anyways, when I see the box, I say, it's like, seriously, this box can't hold in a Honda Fit. This box can't hold in any Uber I had called and said, hey, and the Uber would have cost like $600. So anyways, I said, all right, you know what? I wasted $5,000. At least we're going to get the package. I double check that the box is a bar stool and I reach home now. So I said to the man, oh, how much I owe you? Him said, just give me 8. So I said, okay. So I take out $1,000 and give him. I said, keep the change. Listen, I take out $1,000 and give the man and say, keep the change. The man said, Mom, I said, yeah, you you say 8. Him say, yeah. I remember say it's carrier, because he's a carrier driver. And so this is carrier, and I remember say I had to come pick up the package, bring it back to them, and then pick up another baggage and bring it back. So that's 2 different carrier transaction. So I say, yeah, you said 4 each way, 4, 4, it's 800. Him say 8,000.
Oh my God!
Oh, God of His mercy. So in total, I spent $13,000 to go pick up a box that could fit in a Honda Fit. I am never using Ship with Star JA anymore because the email interaction with them, it was kind of like, at first when they were telling me that FedEx was the one who made the mistake with the address, when I look at the label that's on this box, y'all, the exact address is on it. Bay number, my personal code, everything, the exact address is on it. And them have me filing claim with FedEx, filing claim with Shein, call my credit card company, me not pay this, me not pay this. I'm fearing me I cuss out FedEx. Oh, jeez, I'm forgot to call FedEx and beg them for forgiveness. I'm never using them again. I understand mistakes happen. Mistake did happen on my end too, because I should have double checked the label before I left the store. So a mistake did happen on my end too. However, when a mistake happens, you should be able to apologize. The girl in the store had said sorry. She was like, "Oh, I'm so sorry, Chantel. Because you did point out the package. I just assumed it was yours." And I said, yeah, I'm sorry too, because they had sent me that picture. I just assumed. And the man did downstairs are waiting. They park around him. Did I block up traffic, But never did. I was just like in a rush. And I told her, sorry, I should have double checked too. She said, sorry, she should have double checked. It's not the girl in the office I have an issue with. It's whoever was interacting with me on the email who talked about, oh, yeah, the address was incorrect. The address was wrong. But like, I'll know when I get an email from them, because if you're going to me say, the package is lost, the package wasn't delivered to you because the address on the label was incorrect, and then me get the package and me look on the address and it's the right address, why was my package sitting there for 4 weeks? What was it doing? And then where is the apology to say, oh my gosh, this was an oversight on our part? All I'm saying, take accountability for your mistakes. We're humans, we make mistakes. We are going to make mistakes. Nothing is going to be perfect in this world. Right? And that is fine. That is absolutely fine. I'm not even mad about the $13,000 that I lost, because I would rather, if like in that situation, I would rather lose money because I pay somebody for a service rather than lose money because I buy a product. If I had to buy the product twice, I would have been upset, because at least give the man money for him picking them school. That's how I'm thinking about it. Okay, this extra money that he made based on my mistake is for sending picking them to school. I'm fine with that. However, Ship with Star JA, all of them that say, oh my gosh, this was an error on our part. Them some of the wrong. As I say, y'all, I'm just sharing the story with y'all because in the previous vlogs, I came and I plugged them and I say, yeah, you can check them out if you're interested. No, I'm sharing my experience with them because I don't want me go plug them and you go use them and then it's, have an issue with them and, and the content creator that plugged them, the girl, because you remember I had said before I had moved, I was watching this Jamaican YouTuber and she used them. My mistake was she's sponsored by them, right? So when somebody pay you for advertise their company, you're not gonna tell the truth and the honest truth. Whatever, but I'm just sharing my story, guys. I have to share my story. So right now I'm going to go do Pilates because this is the week we get back into the fitness. This is the week we get back in it, swinging. The same fundamental class I did last week, but I feel like this week I want to increase the intensity on it to make it a little bit more challenging, because I feel like last week it was good, but it wasn't as challenging as I would have wanted from my workout. So we're gonna go do that, and then we'll just see how the day goes. But at least I have my bar stools, right? So in focusing on the positive, at least I have my bar stools. I mean, I paid way more than I would have liked. Learn my lesson with the desk and the bar stool. I had ordered the bar stools a long time ago, and I was just like, order it. I don't want it just sitting there. Like, let me just go pick it up because I ordered it. I'm taking accountability. Like, I ordered it. So I might as well just go pick it up. But never again. And I'm going to switch shipping companies. I had seen this other one. It's funny enough because immediately after that incident happened, I was scrolling on Instagram and a shipping company got recommended on my timeline. And when I checked them out, they have an app, and their Instagram, they're very active on Instagram, and like, you know, you see the people them behind the counter. And the shipping company that I use, the current one, ship with Star JA, they are in an office with a lot of different shipping company. This one, they're in an office of their own. So that's something that stand out to me, to them. You know, so I want to try. I want to check them out. I'm not going to name them. I'm not going to drop their name because I don't want to recommend them to nobody. And then, you know, something like this happen again. But yeah, let's go to the gym. Guys, look how the sunburn of this lizard. Bird, I think. I'm assuming it's the sun. But more than put it past this heat. Watch it. Jeez.
How does that feel for you? If you like you want to add a little bit more, you can add a yellow. If you want those ones, you can add a little more. Like green, yellow is spicy. Green is spicy, it's like off the yellow. Sorry, just open. You can open it or you can go here. But just open it. Okay. And then on the third one, we're going to use our little more from the tree, which is right elbows and arms. So right elbows, you're going to try to keep it. It's like the fingers, then and back. Relax. And then we're going to start off on the sleep, okay? Come out, and you're going to go open. Let's count to 20. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, and 3. You're not doing it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 into the nose, out to the mouth, 17, 18, 19, 20, come back into your chest. Already. Responsive number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. And we are under with the other leg. Under. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up open. And so breathe into it into your nostrils, out your mouth. It makes it easier. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Almost there. 17, 18, 19, 20. Come back into your chest. Put both feet back on. Shake your ball. Then your back to your ball down. Then your back to your ball down. Put the ball between your ankle. And your legs flat, and you're going to raise your legs to take the top of this. So the ball is between your ankle, and you're going to raise your legs to take the top, right? So for take top, your knees are over your hips, and push out the between your knee and your ankle is parallel to the floor. Zero right ankle forward. Now reach out your straps behind you. Already, but before you take a top like this, you start with your core engaged. Pull your lower abs in right here. Okay. Hands to ceiling, palms facing forward. You're going to bring your arms down. Bring your arms down to keep your abs engaged and back and down again. Now let's add our neck and our shoulders to the picture. So when you open your arms down, bring up your neck and your shoulders while keeping the lower abs engaged. Very good. Very good. And down. And down. Retract your neck and shoulders each time. Good. Release 10, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, guys, and relax. Relax. Okay.
Y'all, that was a good workout. My leg a shake. My leg a shake. One thing about Pilates, it's gonna make you shake like a piece of feather. Okay. Woo! But I did up the intensity, like I said I would, on the leg portion, the arm. My shoulder strength is non-existent. So now that I'm back in the gym, I think I'm gonna put a little more emphasis on shoulder. Not necessarily heavy lifting on shoulders, but like doing more function. What the word name? Conditioning, fundamental, functional. The word. My fitness people help me out. You know, where you do like, not necessarily lifting heavy, because at one point in my life I used to chest press 30 pounds each. Yeah, not doing that again. Not, you know, we've passed that stage. But do more like, you know, fundamental, functional. I know the word, you know. I know the word, but yeah, Pilates, take it out of my brain. Anyways, yeah, I need to up my shoulder strength, my shoulder arm strength. Upper body used to be my thing. Them times I was knocking out like 10 push-ups, 5 pull-ups, y'all. 2018, Shan was a different game. I don't think I'll ever get back to her. I don't think I desire to get back to her. Bear in mind, 2018 Shan was in her 20s, okay? So that was a different. Now in our 30s, 2025 Shan in her 30s, yeah. But anyways, y'all, I will make some porridge now. I will make the other half of my Alaska porridge mix and pick up my hoodie friend Hirsch for giving me a bag of protein powder. I am going to try to see what it tastes like. Try for the first time. Oh, Ross, I didn't realize I should have put the scooper in. Make up yourself, goodie. Put the scoop in here. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Let's just see. All right, y'all, here is the porridge. I did put the protein powder in it. It did tick up, so I need to make way more serving than expected. Cause hello, who can't have bar stools to sit down and eat porridge pan about? Talk to me. What kind of bar stool are we go, y'all? My $1 million bar stool. Talk to me nice. Anyways, let's see what this porridge tastes like. I'm not a fan of the chocolate protein powder, and never yet put protein powder in a porridge, but put some sugar in there. Okay, not bad. Ooh, hot. Not bad, but all right, all right. All right. All right. All right. Can't go on. Mm-hmm. 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 So that will be my cheat for extra protein. I'm gonna try to get protein in with every meal. Big up on yourself for watching this vlog. I am going to end out the vlog now and start up the new vlog, the next vlog, by going grocery shopping. And this week I'm gonna just show you guys, like, you know, everything I'm doing to get back into the fitness. So if you guys are interested in the fitness, we're also planning my birthday trip. One person had emailed me saying that they're interested in coming on the birthday trip. If you guys are interested, up to 2 more people can fit in the car. And then if you guys want to follow behind us, as of now, I'm planning for August 10th, which is a Sunday. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's every month I'm trying to go on excursions with Kirk, where it's like hidden gems in Jamaica. And I open the invitations. Any subscribers who are in Jamaica and want to come, the only thing you need to do is find yourself at the Jack's All Knoxford Express and bring your lunch money. I'm going to go live this week. I have to go live this week to give more information on it, because I just have to iron out the details and see. I know it's been like a month since I've been saying that, but I'll go live this week to give more information. So look out for that. Look out for that live. Don't forget to hit the like button, let YouTube know you're rocking with the channel. Leave something in the comment section. It helps push the content. And if you want to enjoy this footage, pick up on yourself. I think I'm going to start posting on Monday and Thursdays. So look out for Thursday's vlog when we go grocery shopping, and I'll see how much I spend on a week's worth of grocery. Why am I so full? Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna make up for yourself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica.